we tend to think about nature as this thing sitting outside, waiting to be investigated by scientists and written books about. But in reality, what I came to realize as a designer, sort of 8 years ago, that nature can actually be a design medium through this new field called synthetic biology, which recognizes that biological structures have embodied computational frameworks that determine their architecture and their function. So I became really interested personally in trying to get new architectures to build themselves with sort of composed of biological tissues. And why biology? Because biology has a lot of properties that the sort of traditional sort of construction methods don't. Properties like carbon negativity, it can take carbon from the environment in building itself. This idea of self-construction, starting from a single seed and becoming a fully fleshed structure, healing, ability to take information from the environment, process that, and give a output. Regeneration, so a lot of different properties that we don't see in human designed and built frameworks. So specifically for anthrobots, why it's really exciting. So traditionally what's been done in the field of synthetic morphogenesis, which is this idea of creating new biological structures, is to try to edit the DNA, the genetic code, to create new patterns with cells. But that is has been really limited in the type of complexity and the scale that the structures can be generated. So Anthrobots is looking into biology and the morphogenetic code as a sort of more layered enterprise. So it's not only genetics, but also epigenetics, which consists of bioelectricity, as we'll discuss in the episode, as well as other sort of like methylation type of changes in the genome. So with Anthrobots, we wanted to leverage that. Can we start with one structure that is known to build something in the body, in this case, human trachea? But then can we, by giving it environmental inputs, can we get it to create a completely novel structure without touching the genome? So we still don't know what epigenetic factors, and of which there are a lot of different possibilities that exactly give rise to the anthrobot. So the process is something we're investigating. But what we've seen is that we were able to get these cells to create a new architecture that we had designed a priori.